Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Axia employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Then on the search URL, type in Axia employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now head over to the first link that says axiawh.com or login. Click on that. You will be taken to this page. Now scroll down a bit, and on this interface, as you can see, you have to select your state or care center below. Click on this drop down menu. There you will get bunch of options, so select your region. Then again scroll down, then click on access patient portal from the left hand side. Then you will be taken to login page. If you want to use your user credential, go with user credential, or else you can also use your mobile phone number by clicking on this option right here. By doing so, you have to enter your first name, last name and your date of birth. Then click on submit. Then you will be logged into your account. Now to go through the user credentials, click on user credentials. Then first of all, enter your correct or valid username, and once it's done, enter your password. If you have any trouble logging in, click on this link provided that says trouble logging in, and that will help you out to recover your problem. Now if you are done typing in your username and password, click on this login button. Then on the next page, you'll be successfully logged into your Axia account. And that's how you can log into Axia account. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.